I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
What's up YouTube? This is Mr.phresh back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing Google Pixel 3 XL. I have the just right version. This is also a 64 gigabyte version. So let's take a look. I'm going to open this up here. Alright, simple as that. Alright, so let's check. And by the way, this is my second Google Pixel phone. I did have Google 2 Pixel XL, and I did give that to someone. So this is actually going to be my first time actually unboxing the brand new one. So let's take a look at it. So here's the phone. Ooh, I like this white color. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so I think let me go ahead and power this on, and while it powers on, we'll go ahead and take a look what's in the box. So let me put this on the side here. Okay, this is okay. So here's your this is your user menu and books and your SIM ejection tool. How you're gonna start it? Okay, let's oh wow, cool. They added actually the Pixel Bud. So I'm gonna take a look at it. How will they sound? You know, so when I do my full review, I'll go ahead and tell you guys how they sound and all that. So that's a good touch by Google to have a. Okay, so put that on the side, and then we have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. We also have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack dongle, and then we have the ODG to transfer. That's a good little touch there. So I really like this. I have a whole bunch of these actually handy too, that I keep them around when I need them. So let me go ahead and put all these things back in here, and then this one is just your power brick. So this is just your power brick. Okay, so we'll go ahead and you don't need any of this stuff. So let me go ahead and put all this stuff on the side here, and then let's take a look. Wow. You know, at the first glance, I don't know how I feel about the way this phone looks, but let me go ahead and pause this video for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and see what it looks like. Okay, we're back in. So here's the Google Pixel 3 XL. I'm still as you guys can see, I'm still updating all the apps in the background. So, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I'm downloading all these apps, and let's see what are some of the features. So far I think the theme looks pretty materialistic. You know, they kind of ran with, I think, kind of bluish theme now. So I'm liking that so far. I will go ahead and I really don't like this Google Pixel, this bar over here and all that. So I will be changing all that, but I'm just gonna wait until everything is fully downloaded, and then I'll go ahead and change it. But as far as it's still downloading the app, let's take a look. Look at the. Let me just go ahead and figure this out here. See what happens. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the setting here. So in the setting, you know, you have all your normal setting. I did set up my fingerprint. I do kind of like this right here. This is kind of nice. The navigation bar. That's kind of nice. You know, you can see all your recent apps, and then also you have your recently used app that doesn't go away, and also the bar doesn't go away, so that's kind of like a nice touch. And then if you want to go fast scroll, you can do that with the bar, so that's a cool touch here. And then as far as like a button placement, they're fairly let me take this off from the cover actually. So as far as button placement, they're pretty much all the same. I think they moved the SIM card, older one, they moved the SIM card was on the side, I believe, and they moved it to the bottom now. Of course, no headphone jack. So as far as the like I said, I really don't know how I feel about this design. It is pretty big. Chin is pretty big, and the notch is definitely very noticeable. So but I will give this a try and use it. I almost feel like now that I'm kind of holding it, the build quality feels really good though. That's I gotta definitely give that. Build quality is pretty good. But yeah, I really don't know how I feel about this phone, because I almost feel like I'm downgrading, because I'm going from Note 9 to this Pixel 3 XL. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm gonna use it for a week, and then I'll get back to you on what I think. I'll be definitely getting the OnePlus 6T as well, so stay tuned for that review. But if you guys want to let me know if you guys want me to cover anything in this phone while I'm here. I will definitely do so. I'll take some photos while I test this for the next week. Also get back to you on the Pixel Bud that came with it, how they sound, and whether they're good, better than the Samsung AKG headphones, which I really love. The AKG headphones are so far really good that came in the box. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that one as well. But until then, thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next.